Hello, this is Yogeshkumar. I want to give you some information on Cisco. If interested, please listen. OSI model, Open Systems Interconnection model based on ISO, International Standard Organization, and not all international organizations are standard. It is not using information technology used. International standard organization is used. Uh, it is based on seven layers. Uh, Seventh layer is application layer. It provides an application. Internet.com partner plus application running on target. Internet Explorer, HTTP, yahoo.com, domain name system, DNS name system. Application is protocol is address resolution protocol. Application is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Sixth layer is presentation layer. Data presentation ABCD to 0101. Encryption, data compression.
किसका है?
I will give you more information later. Thank you.